guys, welcome to my tutorial on recording and editing in Audacity. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to record and edit a piece of audio in Audacity. To get started, let's click the Applications folder and find our app. Here it is right here. Click OK to close some of these welcome windows, and here you are in your main workspace. On top here are your recording buttons. Click the red recording button to record, pause to pause, and then when you're done, click stop to stop the whole recording. Let's try that right now. Hi, welcome to the Screencast tutorial on recording and editing audio in Audacity. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to record or import audio into Audacity and some basic editing tools to help get it ready for your podcast. So as you can see, we now have recorded a 16-second long audio track. The lines here indicate the pauses you have in your speech. We'll want to get rid of that. The blips here are words. So the first thing you might want to do is to get rid of the pauses. To do so, click the selecting tool, click and drag on the audio track, and click cut to cut out the pause. Again, click the selection tool, click and drag to select the pause, and click cut to cut out the pause. Simple, right? Now during playback, you might also notice that you have lots of ums and uhs and just repeated words that we all use during our speech. To get rid of those, select the words just like we have selected the pause, and then cut out the words. Another thing you might want to do to your podcast is to add some intro music. Now to do that, it's really simple. You just go to File, Import, and Audio. Once you're in on this screen, you can browse to your music. I'm going to look for a piece of music called Fantasia. Click the piece of music that you want, then click Open. As you can see, Audacity has now imported that piece of music. You can also see that this piece of music is a lot longer than our recorded audio. So let's shorten it and cut out the stuff that we don't necessarily want. Click and drag on the audio and click cut. Okay. Now we have about the equal length of music to the speech. In this example, the imported track will play simultaneously with the first track since they're aligned together. Since the music is meant to play as an intro, you'll need to time shift the first track so it comes after the music. Click Tracks, then uncheck the Sync Lock Tracks. Next, click the Time Shift button right here. Click the track that you want to time shift, and in our case that would be the first track, and shift it to the end of the music. You can also add the same piece of music to the end of the spoken track as an outro. To make an outro music, copy the intro as we have here, click Copy, click on the track where you want to insert the outro, and then click Paste. Use the Time Shift button to align the tracks. And now you're done. Another thing you might want to add in your podcast is fading in and fading out to signal the beginning or end of an audio segment. So to do that, use the Select tool to select the piece of audio that you want to fade in and out of. Click Effect and then select Fade In. Now the audio is going to fade in and then go right into our spoken track. We'll do the same with the outro music to have it fade out. So select it, click Effect, and fade out. So as you can see, when we do a playback, the music is going to fade in, go right into the spoken track, and then fade out again. Now that you have edited your recording, we can now export it as an MP3. Click File, Export, and then type in the name you want to name the file. So we're going to browse to the folder that we want, Audacity sample. Make sure your format is in MP3 and then click Save. Click OK here, and then enter any metadata that you might want to attach to this MP3. So you can enter artist name, the track title, the album title, and the year that was made, and then click OK when you're done. Audacity will now convert your file into an MP3, and you can now upload it or publish it.